Turn her on.
Oh, I'm
Here we
so
go.
keen.
Come on. See if she cranks. Come on, it'll waste the battery. Hurry up. Yeah! I gotta fix that idle, by the way.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, mate. You gonna go Yui?
Walk out. Oh, them wheels.
Oh, does it feel bigger?
Fuck yes.
Yeah, mate. Oh, it's so dodgy.
You can barely see it.
Yeah, I know. We'll roll one down. Jesus.
They don't really roll down.
This one does. Oh, that's stuck. Fine, man. Go on, do a skid.
Not here.
Yeah.
That's probably like, yeah.
Come on for it.
I just want to see how she goes with the wheels.
Yeah, it doesn't feel good.
Wow. This window doesn't work.
Yeah, they're doing pretty good. Could have done better.
That doesn't sound very good.
It doesn't.
Is that the tyre?
Yeah, that's. I gotta do up that wheel a bit.
You do.
Yeah.
Oh,
Come on,
man,
pump it.
I hope it makes it.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, just let me get up there. That wheel's gonna fall off.
Yeah, I'd slow down a bit.
I'm gonna do a 10.
Yeah, I'd slow down a bit. It's so bad.
Tighten it.
I will.
Oh, first heel.
First hill, mate. Come on.
Oh.
Give it a bit. Ah. It's down to 270. Go on. Yay! Got a bit sideways.
I don't know where I'm going to go now.
Just through here. Alright. Watch down this hill, there's a few bumps.
Oh fuck, it's... Wait.
Brakes, Luke. Brakes. Yeah, the brakes work. Oh, it's so bad. Oh. No, what are you doing? Go for it there. It's spinning. I can feel it spinning.
I don't want to do it here because
Yeah, and they like that grass. No, wait.
Ready?
Oh, the thing stopped.
Ready?
Yeah, go. Pull it. Yeah, mate.
Oh, there
Yeah.
goes something off the car.
No, it was just stick.
The thing off the window.
Oh, the tyre thing. She's good. What's up with the... Oh, that's the window. Oh, I know what that is. It's all good. It's just the old threads breaking, which is fine. Alright, stop it. It'll hit the... Alright, I want to see this from this wheel. Just roll backwards a bit.
Backwards?
Yeah. Go backwards. Go on. Give it a bit. Have this one. Yeah, it's fine. It's all good. Turn it off. Turn it off. Oh, it's sick. That was sick. Oh, who cares?
Okay, you can stop now.
Yeah, I know. I know I'm skiing.
Wait.
I'm not in drive.
Drive now.
Wait. No, wait.
Wait, you ready?
Yeah, go. Okay, go.
Mate, you were just on a tree rod. I was in my head.
No, I don't want to spin. Just rock it.
What way are we pushing it?
Go. Give it a bit. Give it a bit. Your other wheel's stuck.
I think it's bottomed out.
No, it's bottom.
That just fucking sprayed me big time.
Oh, you're kidding me. It popped that tyre too?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Sprayed you, man.
No, we can drive it out. It's
Pop
flat.
right there.
Oh, the thing I fell off. Oh, yeah.
Fuck it. I got sprayed.
Give us a go.
Yeah.
I got sprayed. Man, this is not good.